if you want to scan QR codes on your Samsung Galaxy A26, here are a couple ways of doing this. So the first one is through your camera. Open up your camera, tap on those four dots, tap on the gear icon, and make sure that you have your scan QR codes option available. So now let's open up our camera. Let's grab our QR code and let's simply scan it with our camera. So the text is decoded here. So let's tap here. We can either search web, copy it, share it, or open it up in Samsung Notes. All right, so basically that's it. That's what's encrypted in this QR code. The second method of doing this is through our quick settings. So swipe down from the top right corner of your screen, locate your scan QR code option, and the process is just the same. There's your QR code, here's the text. You can either search web, open it Samsung Notes. The process is the same. And the third variant is through our Google Lens. So let's take a picture of our QR code. Now open up your gallery, tap on this text icon, and there's your QR code. So tap on your QR code, and once again, you can either view the full text, if there's a link decoded, you can go through this link, and basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.